can't get new hair. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy, Christina with a K. Hey, Christina with a K. Hey, 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 hey girl, hey boy, how you doing? How you feeling? Hey guys, today we are reviewing a Zury Sis unit. This very simple, easy slay right here. Okay guys, if you want to know the specs on this unit, stay tuned.
Baby, no, baby, see your baby, my love, just let me love you, baby, yeah, I know that I love you, yeah, baby. Bend over, bend over.
Okay guys, so I am back putting on this beauty, and whoo, she was easy. She was easy, y'all. Look at this. Look at this. You can't tell me that I didn't just go get my hair pressed. So let's go ahead and talk about this. This is the Zury Sis Dream Lace, and I have the style Polo. I have the color number 2. Look at her. Look at her. So this just has a lace part in the middle, guys. As you saw, it has those 2 combs in the front, your regular cap construction, and she's a very simple, easy plop and go. I went ahead and just used my little blow dryer and just kind of smoothed her out a little bit more because, you know, in the pack it kind of just looks a little, it just gets a little bent. But this one right here, she's easy, y'all. So let's talk about her. I went ahead and shifted this unit to my right. She does have that middle part that the model is wearing, but I just shifted her and it's fine. As far as the cap construction goes, she feels pretty comfortable on my head. She is a little snug, but what I noticed is when I first start reviewing units, sometimes if they're snug and then I wear it after a while or I put it on my mannequin, it kind of loosens up. So try that. If it feels a little snug, just put it like on a mannequin head and let it sit. But she feels pretty good. There are some baby hairs on this unit. I didn't use them. I just put them back. All I did was go in with some powder in that parting space. I'm really liking this wig. I didn't think I would like her. I like the texture of this wig. It is a little bit silky, but it kind of feels like a light yaki. This wig is pretty straight. I like the layers in her right here in the front. And then she just kind of goes into this cut right here. She's a very easy, everyday style wig. Can we say everyday? Can we say we are ready to go to Target? Yes. And she's a very easy plop and go, very beginner friendly. I didn't do anything to this. I like the fact that she doesn't feel plasticky. She just feels really sleek, guys. She's just beautiful. Like, she just looks good. I did get a little bit of shedding, but I think that's because I always cut my lace off a little bit really close to that hairline. As far as tangling, she's not tangling on me right now. I am running pretty comfortably, but she is synthetic, so she might tangle over time. But because of this length, I think she'll be good for a while, y'all. And the way she was not burning when I used my blow dryer, I am pretty comfortable that if she does start tangling up on you, you just put that blow dryer through, boop, boop, and she gonna be all right. I've done that with some of my straight units and brought them back to life. I did just go in with my wig grip, the one with the lace in the middle, and that's pretty much it, guys. Very easy, simple, everyday, daily wig. She's just, look. People don't know how to act when they get new hair. Alright guys, so I don't have much else to say about this beauty. I like her. I like Polo. Polo is my new friend. Let me know what you guys are thinking about her. And until next time, beauties, I'll talk to you later. Bye.